Okay guys, we're back out here. See if we button up this side and start working on the other. There's the other side pipe, which we need this cover off of, all the bracketry and that. And I'd like to use these as my collector extensions. Picked up these just now. 10-piece 3/8 American, 11-piece American. I had metric, I just didn't buy the metric for home. Definitely their last Chinese stands. Holy crap, but they were on sale for $9 a piece in a clearance thing at the hardware store. I figured for that, can't go wrong. How's it going, guys? Back out here. Well, we've been out here for quite a while. Actually, we just took a dinner break and we've been out here since like 11. And when I say dinner break, 6:08. It's hard to believe it took that many hours. That is done. That is complete. Nothing needs to be tightened, moved, or wiggled. That is the final product. So, I know side pipes are, you have to really like them, and we really like them. So, this was Junior's vision since the beginning with the side pipes. So basically what you have there is, you guys know I made the mufflers. We did that front 3-inch pipe, which comes around, and as it comes around, it goes up. You don't see it anymore. They're actually raised up. We took the clamps, the new ones, and we're able to come just above the bolt. So we're able to get another 1/4 of an inch out of this. So that allowed the outer screen to go higher than the bottom of the lip of the rocker molding. And that allowed to bring the pipe nice and close and just tuck them up. Junior wanted them pointing straight out, so that's what we went with. Pointing straight down was terrible. And at a 45, almost made it look like they loosened up and flopped. You can see we still have the holes in the rocker for the stainless steel trim. We'll get to that someday. Probably after we wet sand the car. But yeah, this is done. The front pipe. You guys can't make it out. The front pipe from this point forward is black. So that covers the weld and everything. So, I think it's good. So, kept it relatively even with the wheel well. And they're nice and straight. I like them. You just can't get a full view of them. So, they're not down too low and they're not up too high. I mean, side pipes are nice when they're like right by the door, like my AMX, but that wasn't happening. So they should have a nice sound to them. It's going to be a complete 3-inch exhaust from collector to the tailpipe. We picked up a set of collector gaskets today. These are the same gaskets. Now you can see how thick they are. These are the same gaskets that we used for his head of gaskets. So, not that bad. These were $15 for the pair, local. So I'm sure they're cheaper online. With that, the only thing left to do on this side, not on this, is to make my reducer. And we're going to probably use, the pieces of pipe that they had shoved in the front of this. Look at the bends in this thing. Can you imagine? And when the guy handed these things to me, he goes, it was a muffler shop. He goes, oh, if you need any custom bending, come back. I'm like, sure, no problem. Yeah, I'll come right back. Holy crap. So, but that doesn't matter. From there to there, there to there. I'll probably make both of them with this. Here's the old one that we were using for mock-up. That's basically what we're going to do. Is we're going to take the flange, slip it over. Junior will take it around, machine it nice and flat, If I have to do any kind of slight massaging for the frame rail, especially on the driver's side, or a little engine movement, call it good, cut it off here, and that's where I'll run the pipe. So, but with that, here's the other one. And there's the other pipe done. With that, I just want to clean up before we go any further. Okay, guys.